Hey everybody, I'm here at the State Fairgrounds in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and we are at the Lifestyle and Home Expo show, something like that. Anyway, but we got some nice cool live music here. I thought you might enjoy it for a little bit, so check it out here. Alrighty, well that's here in Albuquerque, New Mexico at the Home Expo Center here. Hey, I see Chris is watching. Hey Chris, how you doing? And Paula's watching too. Hey Paula, how are you? Alright, so here we are. We're just walking around and checking out what's going on. They're going to play another song real quick. And here we've got all kinds of stuff going on. Here's my buddy Terrell. He's got some great barbecue rubs and seasonings, and we're doing a live Facebook post here. So say hi to the folks back home. All right. And he's got all kinds of great rubs here, chipotle and all kinds of deep tissue massage, all kinds of different flavors here. And you need to check that out if you get a chance, if you come on down. And I'm going to show you my other friend, Lane. He's got some nice sauces, and we've got all kinds of cool things here. This is a home lifestyle show, so there's all kinds of people here. This is landscaping, and here's the blind lady right here. If you recognize her from her picture on her van. One of these days I'll get a van with my picture on it. Then I'll know I'm hit the big time. All right. Yeah, we got patio covers and bathrooms, kitchen remodeling and all that stuff. And every once in a while people get a little bored with all that stuff and they say, hey, I want to go try out some spice blends and stuff. So that's why I've got my Mountain Man Gourmet booth set up here. And here's John. Hey, Don.
Hey, Lawrence.
All right.
Hey, we're having fun, man.
Oh, that's great. And here's Nick. Hey, Nick. All right. We got some big samples here. All kinds of stuff that you can try. And then, of course, they've got our typical convention-type food. But this one is really interesting. Instead of just pizzas and hot dogs, we got strudels and Polish sausages, and that's all really good, yummy stuff. Okay, so I thought they were going to start a new song, and they will in just a second here. So, hope everybody's doing well out there. Hey, there's Juliet. All right, how you doing, Juliet? We're having a good show here. Hope you're having fun wherever you are on this Sunday. And let's see. Let's take a look, and we're going to go see what's on the other side here, because looks like they're taking a little break from the band. But we'll get back to that in just a minute. Check this out. These really nice jacuzzis and stuff. Look at this. This man does not own a spa. So he's having problems. And I know that actually jacuzzis are really great for if you have arthritis like I do, some back issues, knee issues. Being there with in that hot water really helps a lot. So, hey, how you doing? All right, we're doing a live Facebook. All right, you want to tell them? Tell them what you got here.
I'm Melissa with Villanueva Granite. We customize in kitchen countertops to any size.
Wow,
yeah,
that's great. And this is an example of one right here?
This is a quartz countertop.
That's
we
beautiful.
gave a neat little display to it. It has LED lighting inserted into it.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I see that. Or look at that. It's glowing. So it kind of gives you a little night light at night, little ambiance.
Definitely. Lighting is changeable if it needs to change when the lights went out, it
Right.
can change.
That's really cool. I've
Definitely.
never seen anything like that.
Definitely.
All right. Well, if you need some new countertops, come see Villanueva Granite.
Most definitely. Villanueva Granite,
Villanueva.
located in
Okay.
Placitas,
Yeah.
off of I-25 at the Bernalillo exit.
Okay. Easy to find.
Very easy to find.
Great.
Thank you.
Okay. Thanks. All righty. Well, so that's what we got here. Oh, we got our Cutco knife guys here selling some knives. You buy one, you get a free knife set, or you buy pots and pans and you get free knives. I don't know. Hey, there's Eddie Del Rio. Haven't seen you in a while, my friend. Hope you're doing all right. And hey, David, how you doing? Glad you're on. All right. And you could even come here and get your glasses cleaned for free. Look at that. Hey. All right. So I don't know. Since we're taking a break from the music, we'll just see what else is going on here. We got kitchen and bathroom stuff, windows. More windows, construction guys. All right, solar power, cool.
Absolutely.
You want to tell us about your solar power stuff? We're
Well,
doing a Facebook Live thing here.
Absolutely. We're
Right.
Sunrun Solar. We're the largest installer of solar panels in the nation. We've got over 160,000 customers, and we're just trying to put solar panels on every roof in Albuquerque because we do have that clean green energy, you know?
Yeah, but the sun hardly ever shines here.
I know,
Yeah.
exactly, right? But
Well, that's a perfect-
It's definitely worth it. If you can take advantage of the tax credit, the payment on your system will be right around exactly what your electric bill is now.
That's
Except
great.
in 12 years, it goes away.
Wow, that is awesome. Okay, so if you're in need of some solar panels, come down and check out the Sunrun guys here.
Absolutely, we'll be here all day.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
All right. And then this is a really cool booth over here I want to show you. They're doing, hey Doug, how you doing? All right. These are the Sit Mean Sit dog training people, and they did a big demonstration earlier. They were right in front of my booth, and the woman had the dog biting on her arm on a special training pad thing like they do with the cops and stuff, and that was really cool. Hey, we're doing a live Facebook post. Would you like to tell people what you got here? All right.
Hi everybody, we're Sit Mean Sit Dog Training. We're in Albuquerque. We specialize in general obedience. We have off-leash. We do aggressive dogs. Come and see us. You can come and see our dogs. We're out having fun with them right now. We want to create that relationship for you guys.
Wow, that's really cool. And I enjoyed your demonstrations earlier today. Yeah,
Thank you.
we were right there watching the whole thing.
Cool.
So, yeah.
Awesome, thank you.
Okay, thanks. All right, well, let's go take a look around and we'll see. We got what's going on here. We got some free massages or something here. I'm doing a live Facebook post. You want to tell people what you're doing?
Oh, we are volunteer ministers. We
Okay.
help people to, able to get access. That's what we're doing now. Totally free.
So you're doing free massages. That's
Yeah.
pretty cool. All
Other
right.
volunteer ministers.
And volunteer ministers. Okay,
Yes.
that's cool. All right, well, thank you so much. All right. So here we go. We got more blinds and kitchen stuff going on here. All right, we got some container services. Okay. And here's my buddies from Santa Fe Lavender. They got all kinds of really cool soaps, and they got nice lotions and soaps and all that stuff. Hey guys, how's it going? All right, I'm doing a live Facebook post. You want to tell people what you got?
We're Santa Fe Lavender. We have all kinds of bath and body products, soaps, lotions, moisturizers, sachets, candles, and are based out of Santa Fe, New
Look at
Mexico.
all that stuff. Yeah, and where can they find you if they're online?
If they're online, they can find us at SantaFeLavender.com.
Okay.
I'm Kelly. I'm the pack and ship department.
Right. Yeah, these guys were right behind me in the last show. So, yeah.
Great.
We're all behind each other. Never mind. Okay.
Come see us at SantaFeLavender.com.
All right, cool. Smells really good over here, by the way. Wish you guys had scratch and sniff on the computer. You could check it out. All right. Hey, Gary. All right. All right. So this is a lot of fun here. I was trying to get back to the music, but we're just trying to see what else is going on around the corner. I haven't had time. I've been working in my booth most of the time, but I got some help today, which is nice. I got my friend Don and my cousin's kid, Nick, my nephew, I guess, close enough. All right. So they're working the booth right now and helping out. And that way I get to walk around and just take a little break. All right. So we got our Direct TV folks here. Hey, you want to say hi to the folks on Facebook Live?
Hi, Facebook.
All right. What's your best deal today? What's going on?
One TV, $35 a month, select package.
Wow, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Well, you could get that too if you come down to the show. Thank you. All right. So